I'm gonna see if I can fix this old ceiling fan and give its blades a fresh paint job in under an hour. In this video, you'll learn how to quickly repair and repaint your old ceiling fan blades, giving them a fresh look and improving the functionality of your fan. Many homeowners struggle with outdated or damaged ceiling fans that can affect the aesthetics of a room and waste energy. We've all been there, tolerating those dreaded ceiling fan eyesores just because we don't think we have the time or skills to replace them. But the truth is, a simple repair and makeover can make a huge difference in the overall ambience of the room. Not to mention, it's an eco-friendly way to breathe new life into an old fixture. And let's be real, who doesn't love saving money by repurposing instead of replacing? The worst part is, it's often the little things like this that get neglected and left to collect dust, literally. But today, we're taking action and giving this old fan the TLC it deserves. Ceiling fans are one of those things that can quietly sneak up on you, becoming an eyesore before you even realize it. But with a little bit of effort, you can transform it into a stunning centerpiece that adds to the room's decor instead of detracting from it. And the best part, it's easier than you think. With some basic tools and materials, you can give your ceiling fan a professional-grade makeover that'll have your friends and family green with envy. We'll walk through the materials you'll need, the step-by-step repair process, and the best techniques for painting the fan blades to achieve a professional finish. First things first, you'll need some basic tools like a screwdriver, pliers, and a wrench to disassemble the fan. You'll also need some sandpaper, primer, and paint to give the blades a smooth, glossy finish. Don't worry if you're not a pro at DIY projects, I'll guide you through each step, and before you know it, you'll be a ceiling fan makeover master. The key is to take your time, be patient, and don't be afraid to get a little creative. One of the biggest challenges people face when repurposing old ceiling fans is figuring out how to get a smooth, professional finish on the blades. It's easy to get discouraged when you're dealing with rough, porous surfaces, but trust me, it's worth the extra effort. With the right techniques and materials, you can achieve a finish that's virtually identical to a brand new fan. And the best part, you'll be amazed at how such a small change can completely transform the look and feel of the room. Watch as we reveal the transformation of the fan blades, showcasing the difference between the old and newly painted ones, and highlighting the satisfaction of a job well done. As you can see, the difference is like night and day. The old blades were dull, dusty, and just plain ugly, while the new ones are sleek, modern, and positively gleaming. It's amazing how such a small change can have such a huge impact on the overall ambience of the room. And the best part, you did it yourself, without breaking the bank or calling in a professional. I'm thrilled with how the fan blades turned out, and I know you will be too. It's always satisfying to take something old and outdated and turn it into something new and beautiful. And the best part, you learned something new and developed a valuable skill that you can apply to all sorts of DIY projects in the future. To wrap up, we've successfully repaired and painted the ceiling fan blades, making them look brand new and improving the overall ambience of the room. It's amazing what a little bit of TLC and creativity can do, isn't it? If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other DIY home improvement tutorials and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.